Section 1. The right savings account. Your ticket to freedom. Saving money is like building a strong foundation for your future. Just like you wouldn't build a house on shaky ground, you don't want to trust your hard-earned money to just any savings account. Choosing the right savings account is crucial for growing your money over time and achieving your long-term goals. Think of it as your ticket to financial freedom. Now let me tell you about Sarah, a single mom who worked tirelessly to save for her daughter's college education. She diligently stashed away money each month but didn't pay much attention to her savings account. Years later, when her daughter was ready for college, Sarah realized her savings hadn't grown as much as she'd hoped. She had picked an account with low interest rates and hidden fees, which ate into her savings. Don't let Sarah's story be yours. Take the time to understand the different types of savings accounts available and find one that aligns with your financial goals. A little research and planning can make a world of difference in the long run. It's your money, your future, your choice. Think about Sarah, a single mom who worked tirelessly to save for her daughter's college education. She diligently stashed away money each month but didn't pay much attention to her savings account. Years later, when her daughter was ready for college, Sarah realized her savings hadn't grown as much as she'd hoped. She had picked an account with low interest rates and hidden fees which ate into her savings. Don't let Sarah's story be yours. Section 2. Cracking the code. Types of savings accounts. Let's break down the different types of savings accounts you'll come across, using plain and simple language. First up, we have the basic savings account. This is like the reliable old friend of savings accounts, easy to open and manage. They offer a decent place to park your money but don't expect huge returns. Next, we have money market accounts. Think of these as the more sophisticated cousin of basic savings accounts. They typically offer higher interest rates but may require a higher minimum balance. You'll have easy access to your money, which makes them a good option for short-term savings goals. Lastly, we have certificates of deposit or CDs. These are like time capsules for your money. You agree to lock your money away for a set period, and in return, you earn a higher interest rate than a regular savings account. CDs are a good choice for long-term savings goals, where you won't need access to the money right away. Each type of savings account has its own pros and cons. Understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision and choose the best account for your individual needs. Section 3. Picking a winner, finding your perfect saving match. Now that you know the players, it's time to choose the right savings account for you. It's like picking the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, right? Similarly, you want a savings account that aligns with your savings goals and financial situation. Start by asking yourself, what am I saving for? Is it a short-term goal like a down payment on a house or a long-term goal like retirement? If you need quick access to your money, a basic savings or money market account might be a better fit. For long-term goals, a CD could be a good option. Next, consider your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable locking your money away for a fixed period, or do you prefer more flexibility? CDs offer higher returns but come with the restriction of limited access to your funds. Basic savings and money market accounts offer more flexibility but may have lower interest rates. Finally, don't forget to shop around and compare interest rates, fees, and account features. Different banks and credit unions offer different terms, so it pays to do your homework. Remember, even a small difference in interest rates can add up to significant savings over time. Section 4. Play smart. Tips for maximum savings. Now you're ready to take your savings game to the next level. Here are some practical tips to help you maximize your savings. First, make saving a habit by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Treat these transfers like non-negotiable bills, just like your rent or utilities. Next, track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back and save more. You might be surprised how small everyday expenses can add up over time. Bring your lunch to work instead of eating out, brew your own coffee, and look for free or low-cost entertainment options. Third, set realistic savings goals and track your progress. Having a clear target in mind will keep you motivated and on track. Celebrate your milestones along the way, but don't be afraid to adjust your goals as needed. Finally, take advantage of any employer-sponsored savings plans, such as 401(k)s or 403(b)s. These plans often come with employer matching contributions, which is like getting free money. Saving for retirement may seem far off, but the earlier you start, the better. Section 5. Take charge and start saving today. Choosing the right long-term savings account is a crucial step towards securing your financial future. It's not about getting rich quick, but about making smart choices that will benefit you in the long run. Think of it as planting a seed that will grow into a mighty financial tree over time. Remember Sarah, the single mom who wished she had paid more attention to her savings account? Don't let her story be yours. Take charge of your finances today by researching and choosing the best savings account for your needs. Start small, be consistent, and watch your savings grow. Saving money is not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about having the freedom to pursue your dreams, weather financial storms, and build a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. So, take that first step today and unlock your future with the power of saving.